Good morning mga ka-square, this is Ron Labon, your interior and furniture designer. Another day, another installation. We are here in Barangay Don Bosco in Betterliving in Parañaque City to have our actual installation of fluted panels for our client. Actually, the client asked us to design and fabricate a modular shoe cabinet and a bench with shoe rack. And today is just a partial installation of fluted panel. Tara, check natin inside. So basically, this is the area na lalagyan natin ng fluted panel. So this window is designed to cover with fluted panel as well. So most likely, we're going to place some metal paring para magkaroon siya ng backbone, and kapag hinawakan yung part ng fluted panel is hindi siya lulubog. Also, part of the design is to have an accent fluted panel as well here. So in this area, we will be using an outdoor fluted panel, and for this area, okay, we will be using an indoor fluted panel naman. So para mag-contrast lang yung finish natin and magkaroon ng magandang combination. And so after a couple of hours, we are done already with our installation of fluted panel here in Barangay Don Bosco, Betterliving in Parañaque City. This is just in preparation for our next project, which is the modular cabinet. So we're going to place here a modular shoe cabinet and a lighted bench with shoe rack at the same time. So we decided to install right away the fluted panel so that we will be able to have a right dimension for our modular cabinet. And so for more tips or ideas about interior or furniture design, all you have to do is just to follow our page, which is Squared Furniture and Interiors. You can also see us in YouTube, Ron S. Labon. So paano? This is your furniture and interior designer, Ron S. Labon. Kita-kits tayo in our next project.